Hi friends, we shall see about income from house property. Sections 23 to 27 of Income Tax Act 1961 deals with computation of the taxable income from house property. This is the second head of income. It is not based on the actual income, but it is based on the notional income or the annual value of the property. The following three conditions are to be satisfied for charging income under this head. The property should be comprised of any building or lands appurtenant thereto. The assessee must be the owner of such house property. The property should not be used by the assessee for his own business or profession. Deemed owners of the house property. If an individual transfers the house property to his or her spouse, otherwise than for adequate consideration or in connection with an agreement to live apart, then the transferor shall be deemed as the owner of the house property. Transfers to his or her minor child, not being a married daughter, without adequate consideration, then the transferor shall be the deemed owner of the house property. The holder of the impartial estate shall be deemed to be the owner of the properties. A member of cooperative society to whom a building or part thereof is allotted or leased under a home building scheme of the society shall be deemed to be the owner of that building. Exempted income from house property. Income from farmhouse. Annual value of the place of an ex-Indian ruler. Income from property held for charitable purpose. Income from house property used for assessee's own business or profession. Income from a house property by a registered trade union. Income from house property held by a local authority. Income from property owned by scientific research association. Property income of a political party, property income of educational institution existing for educational purpose, one self-occupied house. Factors determining the annual value. Municipal rental value determined by the municipal authorities. Fair rental value means the rent fetched by a similar property in the same or similar locality. Standard rent means the maximum amount rent fixed under the Rent Control Act. Expected rental value, municipal value, fair rental value, standard rental value, whichever is higher, subject to a maximum of standard rent is called expected